Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to use Gate, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges out there. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. We'll cover everything you need to know about spot trading, how to buy your first crypto, how to sell it, and most importantly, how to do it all safely. We're going to skip the complex stuff like futures trading for now and focus on building a solid foundation. So, if you're ready to start your crypto journey, you're in the right place. And hey, stick around because I've got a special referral code that will save you money on trading fees. Let's get started. First things first, you need a Gate AO account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's super easy to set up. You can use the link in the description below to go directly to the registration page. When you're signing up, you'll see a field for a referral code. Make sure to enter BACKBACK, that's BACK. Using this code will give you some awesome perks like a rebate on your trading fees and a chance to earn new user bonuses. It's a fantastic way to start trading with a little extra advantage. Once you've filled in your details and set up a strong, unique password, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC. This is a standard security measure on all major exchanges to protect your account and comply with regulations. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be verified in no time. Now that your account is set up and verified, it's time to add some funds. This is how you'll buy your first cryptocurrency. On the Gate EO homepage, look for the Buy Crypto button, usually located at the top of the page. You'll see a few different options. The easiest way for beginners is often using a credit or debit card. It's fast and straightforward. You just select the fiat currency you want to use, like US dollars or euros, and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For beginners, it's common to start with a stablecoin like USDT, which is Tether. A stablecoin is pegged to a real-world currency, so its value is very stable, making it a great starting point before you trade into other cryptos. Alternatively, you can use a bank transfer or a P2P service, which lets you buy directly from other users. Choose the method that works best for you. Follow the steps, and once the transaction is complete, the funds will appear in your Gate EO wallet. Alright, you've got funds in your account, which means you're ready to make your first trade. We're going to focus on spot trading, which is the most basic and common type of trading. Spot trading simply means buying or selling a cryptocurrency at its current market price for immediate delivery. No leverage, no complex contracts, just a straightforward exchange. To get to the spot trading interface, navigate to the Trade section on the menu and select Spot. Don't be intimidated by the chart and all the numbers you see. It might look overwhelming at first, but we'll break it down. On the left side, you'll find a list of trading pairs. A trading pair tells you which two currencies you can trade against each other. For example, BTC USDT means you can trade Bitcoin against Tether. In the center, you have the price chart, which shows the historical price movement of the asset. To the right, you'll see the order book, which shows all the current buy and sell orders from other traders. And on the far right is where the magic happens, the order placement section. This is where you'll actually place your buy and sell orders. Let's walk through buying your first crypto using a spot trade. Let's say we want to buy some Bitcoin or BTC. First, you need to find the right trading pair. In the search bar on the left, type BTC and select the BTC USDT pair. Now go down to the order placement section. You'll see a few order types, but the two most important for beginners are limit and market. A market order is the simplest. You just enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, and the order will execute immediately at the best available current market price. It's quick and easy. A limit order gives you more control. With a limit order, you set a specific price at which you want to buy. So you've bought some crypto, and now you want to sell it. Maybe you've made a profit, or you just want to convert it back to a stablecoin like USDT. The process is almost identical to buying, just in reverse. In the same spot trading interface for the BTC USD pair, you'll now use the sell side of the order placement section. Again, you have the choice between a market order and a limit order. If you want to sell immediately at the current market price, select Market. Enter the amount of BTC you want to sell and click the Sell BTC button. The trade will execute instantly and your BTC will be converted into USD. If you want to sell at a higher price than the current market, you can use a limit order. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. One of the biggest is something called FOMO, or the fear of missing out. This happens when you see a coin's price skyrocketing and you rush to buy it at the top, afraid of missing out on more gains. This is often a recipe for disaster as prices can correct quickly. Always do your own research before investing in any coin. Don't just buy something because it's hyped up on social media. Another mistake is panic selling. When the market dips, it's easy to get scared and sell your assets at a loss. Remember that volatility is normal in crypto. If you've invested in a solid project you believe in, sometimes the best thing to do is just hold on. Also, be very careful with market orders on less popular, low liquidity coins. The price can swing wildly and you might end up paying a much higher price than you expected. This is called slippage. Using limit orders can help protect you from this. And finally, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is exciting, but it's also risky. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable. Security is absolutely paramount when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. Your account security is your responsibility. The first and most important step is to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Gate.io offers several options, but using an app like Google Authenticator is highly recommended. This adds a crucial layer of security, requiring a time-sensitive code from your phone to log in or make withdrawals. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to access your account, even if they somehow get your password. Another critical security measure is the fund password. This is a separate password that is required specifically for trading and withdrawing funds. Make sure this is different from your login password and just as strong. Also, be wary of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links in emails or messages that claim to be from Gate.io. Always double-check that you are on the official website, which is Gate.io. Scammers are very good at creating fake websites that look identical to the real one. By following these simple but effective security practices, you can keep your funds safe and trade with peace of mind. Now that you've got your assets on the exchange, you might be wondering where they are stored. When you buy crypto on it's held in your exchange wallet. You can see all your different assets by navigating to Wallet and then Spot Account. Here, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you own and their current value. From this section, you can also manage your funds. You can deposit more crypto from an external wallet or withdraw your crypto to an external wallet. For example, if you wanted to move your Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet for long-term storage, this is where you would do it. Withdrawing is simple. You select the coin, enter the recipient's wallet address, input the amount, and then confirm the transaction using your security measures like your fund password and 2FA code. Always, and I mean always, double-check the wallet address before you confirm a withdrawal. Transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. If you send your crypto to the wrong address, it's gone forever. So take your time and be careful. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to spot trading on Gate.io. We've covered a lot today, from setting up your account and adding funds to making your first buy and sell trades. We also talked about how to avoid common pitfalls and, most importantly, how to keep your account secure. Remember, the key to successful trading is to start slow, do your research, and never stop learning. Don't feel pressured to jump into advanced features like futures trading right away. Master the basics of spot trading first, get comfortable with the platform, and build your confidence. And don't forget to use that referral code BACKBACK when you sign up to get those great fee rebates and bonuses. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your trading journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.